Hi everyone, welcome to another video. It's another diamond painting, and this time it's little ornaments. So let's open it and see what they are. Okay. Obviously you get some string for hanging, and you can also do them as key rings. You get the usual pen, boat and wax, and these ones are all penguins. They're acrylic ones. There's these ones. The little pink pom-pom by the looks of it. There. That one in the Santa hat. That one. There's that one. And there's this one. Ah, that's cute. That would be quite good for a baby's first Christmas. Well, for a little boy. That one you could do, I suppose, for a first Christmas for a little girl. And then we've got lots of shiny crystals. So let's open those and let's have a look. It's a nice sunny day here today, so I thought I would take the opportunity while it's nice and bright. Quite a lot of colours. That looks like it's a subtle pink. They look like black ones, regular black. And these ones. I'm looking forward to doing these. I might spend a couple of hours today doing some diamond painting. So there we have them. All 8 ready to do. I will see you on the next video. Thank you for watching.